Now, this tutorial is how to teach you how to make butterbeer, taking into account, of course, that you are Muggles. So I will be using Muggle techniques. Something called a mixer. It sounds complicated, I know, but you will be learning how to make butter. Alright, now the first step is to add some brown sugar into a saucepan with 3 or 2 tablespoons of water. That should give it just enough liquid so that it creates a nice little sauce. Now you're going to stir that until it reads about 240 on a candy thermometer until it's boiling, just a little bit. Now what you want to do is just bring it to a medium boil and until it looks, stirring constantly until it looks like this. Now that our brown sugar has properly been heated, now we shall add butter, 1 stick. Ooh, that's nice. And we shall also add a half of a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. But since these are men's portions, I'd like to do a little bit more. And then we're going to mix that until well stirred. Oi, Hermione, get out of here. I can hear you condescending me. Bloody git. And also, 1/4 of a cup of whipped cream, if you want. Heavy whipping cream. So it makes it nice and fluffy. Blimey! That looks like Polyjuice potion. What are we making here? Oh! Didn't know you came back in. I was just enjoying a Weasley Wizard Weasel. Weasel. So clever. Such a tongue twister. Especially when it's something that's tart. Feel electricity vibrating through me. Now that you've added all the ingredients, we're going to set it aside to cool. It needs to be at about room temperature. So I'm going to stick it in the ice box so we'll cool it at a slightly quicker pace. Come on. Really need a wand for this.
What are you talking about?
Now that it's thoroughly cooled, you're going to take the half teaspoon of rum extract and you're going to add that in there. It will make it taste slightly alcoholic without actually being alcoholic. Unless, of course, you want to add a little bit of butterscotch schnapps, but we won't talk about that here. This is, after all, for the little ones. Alright, now for the light frothy part on top, we're just going to take 2 tablespoons of the brown sugar mixture, swap it into a bowl. It will pop. It's thick. Not thick, but thick. Looks very not running. This is a mess. After you have those 2 tablespoons, once again, much easier with a wand, but since this is a video for Muggles, I can't really use one. I have to use by their methods. Take the remaining whipping cream, add that, and once again, much easier with a wand, mix it. Oh dear, that's violent. Do you know how this works? Alright, apparently we're supposed to mix it up until it's thick, but not whipped. So, don't see how these Muggles do it. You're going to take your glasses and even out the brown sugar mixture so it's equal between them. Alright, now that you've added the mixture into the glass, you're going to pour about a fourth of the cream soda into the glass, and then make sure that you thoroughly mix the sugar mixture and the cream soda in there together, alright? You'll get a little bit of a heady foam. That's normal. Don't worry about decarbonizing it. It tastes just fine. And once again, if you're a more discerning adult, this would be the schnapps glass. But you would get less of a heady foam, obviously. Make sure it's thoroughly stirred. Get that all in there. And then once that's done, you can add the whipped part. And then add the rest of the cream soda. There you have it. Butterbeer.